Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. You might notice that I look a little bit more tan than I normally do. I feel like this is kind of my summer look. When it's like the midst of summer and I look extremely tan, this is kind of, I feel like, as tan as I get. And I was just feeling so pale and I was shooting some outfit stuff and I was like, we need to do something about this. Anyways, so I ordered Loving Tan quite a while ago. I wanted to give it a go and give it a try and see what it was all about. If you guys have never tanned before, but you are interested in knowing about it, I feel like this would be a good video to watch because it is a first impression. So if you haven't before, this will kind of give you what I experienced from the get-go. And yeah, so I don't know, kind of like a good video to watch in that sense. So, Loving Tan. This is what most people use on YouTube. This is the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I got the color dark, so there's 3 colors. I got the middle one because I was like a little bit terrified to go too dark. 4 fluid ounces. Let me give you the prices. I'm hopping right into this. $34.95. US dollars. I looked up how much at Sephora St. Tropez. And theirs is more expensive. It's $44. But that being said, you get more products. So this is 4 fluid ounces, so you get 6.7 in the other one. If you don't know what a deluxe bronzing mousse is, it is a mousse that you basically put all over your body, you leave it on for a while, there's a color guard so you can see where you're putting it, you wash it off, you're left with this lovely tan. I'm going to take you through what I do to tan. So I've seen a lot of videos, I have a lot of friends who self-tan, so I kind of knew a lot about it already. This is the routine that most people do and most people use, so I'm just basically going to talk you through that right now. So you want to start off by exfoliating. I'm using Ocean Salt by Lush. This is my all-time favorite exfoliator. You really need to exfoliate, especially like those places on your knees and your ankles where the dry skin tends to cling to. I'm using Exfoliating Gloves because these make you get a really good exfoliation. These are like literally so good. I suggest getting those. Washing off the exfoliation, and then we're gonna have to shave, so you don't want to have any hair. You could do this the night before you're going to fake tan if you wanted to, so I'm just shaving my legs away. It's pretty simple. If you can, use a fresh blade. Next you have to moisturize, so you want to moisturize all of your skin. The thing that I said about doing this the night before, it's really good because your skin gets that time to moisturize and actually sink in and all that. And then in the morning, what I do is I will rinse off all that moisturizer. In the morning you don't want to use anything with oil in it, so you don't want to use a body wash, you want to skip that. You just want to rinse all that oil off your skin. If you were doing it the same day, so say you woke up that day and you're like, okay, I want to self-tan today. You're going to do the exfoliation, you're going to shave, you're going to moisturize your skin. Let the moisturizer sink in for like an hour or 2 and then rinse off. That's what I would do. I mean, there obviously not everybody does that, but that's what I would personally do. So once you're all rinsed off, you're going to want to take some sort of like body butter, something that's like super hydrating, and you're going to want to coat your hands, you're going to want to coat your knees, you're going to coat your ankles, you're going to coat your elbows, everywhere that basically tends to really like be dry and is going to suck in that tan. You want to coat them with moisturizer, but you don't want to put it anywhere else on your body, just on those places. So this is my before shot. This is what I started off with. You know what, I don't even look that pale here, but like, I feel like because it's like pre-lit, but like, oh gosh, like going out in public and stuff, yeah, girl was pale. So you can see that I'm just taking some of this body butter. Mine is from the Body Shop and I've had this one for a while and I find that it works pretty great. So then I don't have a shot showing you of me putting it on because I didn't really want to show you because I did it so terribly. But you're obviously going to need a mitt to apply it with. Loving Tan's mitt comes in this little box. Looks like this. I really like the mitt. I felt like it did a great job of blending everything in. So the mitt, I 100% give thumbs up. There are a lot of discount codes that you can find. I don't have one, but I think I used like ShanXO's or something, but there's a ton of them if you just Google influencer, YouTuber, discount code for Loving Tan. I ended up paying $15 for this. I don't think that's a bad price. What I got for free, now there are like coupon codes that you can get the mitt free, but I decided to get this free. I wish I didn't. So this is the back applicator. Now I was thinking, well, you know, it'd be nice to like have this to apply the tan with. I guess I don't like that it's a sponge. I wish it were like a matte kind of thing as well. I feel like the tan just soaks into it. I feel like once I finally get it to like my skin, it's not really applying that much tan. And also when you're like, this is stupid. you're applying it and I need that stiffness. And then so I ended up holding it here when really I need to hold it here because I can't reach. I don't know, I wouldn't invest in this. Essentially what you do is you just take your mitt and you just do 2 pumps. Like, okay, so I did kind of like 2 layers of it to get this tan. However, okay, I did two layers of tan on my right arm and then I did it on the left. So like for first impression, like I'm so stupid. You can kind of tell. So this arm is much darker than the other. Anyways. Essentially that's what I do, and I just work limb by limb. So here is my after shot. I just love this. I love it so much. I don't know if I could do this every single day. Not every single day. The tan's supposed to last like a week. I guess depending on how much you shower, like say if you're going to the gym a lot and you have to shower a lot, it probably won't last as long. I don't see myself doing this like every week, but that being said, who knows? I might get addicted. I really like being tan. Oh, I forgot to say, shipping was only 10 bucks, which is pretty good. The only thing I think that I didn't like, there wasn't anything that I was like, I hate this, other than the back thing, was the smell. I don't hate the smell. Don't get me wrong. It's not a bad smell. It's a perfectly fine smell. I'm sure a lot of people love it, but I didn't love it. And it kind of like lingers around for a while until you do go in the shower and like wash your skin and stuff. That was probably like the only thing that I wasn't too crazy about. But other than that, like I think it's great. It was pretty forgiving. Like I obviously am kind of a perfectionist, so I did like make sure I blended everything in quite well. But it was pretty forgiving in the sense of it didn't like, there was like no streaks. I didn't notice very many streaks on me. I hope that this helped you. If you have any questions, I know I might have missed a couple things that maybe it would be helpful to know. So I will be replying to your comments, so please leave them down below and I will give my first impression kind of answer. Like I said, not a pro tanner here. I know a lot of you probably are watching this laughing at me. That's okay. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different from my channel, but I had fun filming it and it was a cool experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!